Yeah, so Outlook is the name.
The bumps out there. Oh, the mountain people in the half pipe.
Damn half pipe.
You got a video camera right here, and you're using your phone.
Yep.
These
I don't need that.
things were so much higher before. They've really come down.
I know they have come
At least a foot. They've sort of crumbled too.
Right. Now they looked a lot better, but the point is to have plows on both sides is just, you know.
The plow both sides.
There you go.
Yeah.
Both sides plowed, meaning they had to do
4 feet at a time.
at each side.
Let this guy sneak on up.
I'm holding my phone at a 45-degree angle, 90-degree angle. Look at this. Both sides. This is great right here. Both sides had to plow. Every 4 to 5 feet.
How many sides?
Both sides. 3 C's. This is unprecedented. I know. And this is 10 days after.
Oh my God.
10 days after.
The mud.
Oh yes, and now here's when the roofs have collapsed. All the snow. Oh man. 10 days after!